little friends, it's Abby. Today we will color horse. Let's start coloring. I use pink color. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below. And yellow. I color her eyes green. Then I use purple. And blue. Finally, I use sky blue. Horses are fast runners. Horses can sleep while standing up. Horses eat plants. Great job! Our horse looks stunning. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!